first in Asia. Always the first in Manila. Here we are in Kilometer Zero, where in any point of Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, North and South, starts and the journey begins here. And I think with the new presidency, from zero, I think thousands of kilometers ang mali-reach natin to help our fellow citizen community. So congratulations for the new sets of officers and good luck at may awa ang Diyos, mapagtagumpayan natin yung ating layunin na ipagmalasakit ang ating bansa, ang ating syudad, ang ating club, at ang higit sa lahat, yung ating mga kababayang nangangailangan. From the beginning, Rotary, my principle is always about helping others. So continue, and in our own little way, as city government and as your mayor, nasa kodli nyo lang ako. Anytime we can be of service, push button lang kami sa Manila. Lagi kayong welcome sa lungsod ng Manila. Magandang umaga at pagpalain naman kayong Manila.
Maraming salamat po. Mayor Isko Buranay, President Reginald Q, and together with Raul Gaenza for the presentation of Token of Gift to our guest of honor and inducting officer.
Vice President.